Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Tech. OnePlus 6 and 6T are truly legendary devices which are still alive even after 7 years of its release, and our channel truly dedicated to such devices to keep them alive for you by providing the latest software updates which were already stopped by the OnePlus from the long time. There are hundreds of different custom softwares available for OnePlus 6 and 6T. We personally installed and tested them to give our final verdict which is the best suitable software for your device. Today we bring you the new project Infinity X. The great developer Optimus Prime has maintained many custom ROMs including Superior OS, but this project has now been renewed as the Infinity X. Today we will install this new ROM and check out its amazing new features that distinguishing it from other custom ROMs. So without further delay, let's get started.
A new adventure.
Remember, this is a non-retrofit build, so if you are using the dynamic retrofit partition scheme on your device, revert to the normal partition scheme first, then flash the Infinity X recovery, perform the ADB side loading of the ROM, then format data and reboot your device. The ROM comes with its own Infinity launcher, which offers lots of customization options that we will explore in the features timeline. Now let's check out the device details of this ROM. The ROM has the new settings look, which was not available in any other custom ROM. At the top of the About Device section, it shows this is an official build of OnePlus 6 and 6T. Infinity X version is 1.0. Maintainer of this ROM is Vikasaka Optimus Prime. Security patch is of latest May 2024. Kernel version is 4.9.337. Additionally, the Android version logo can be seen in the settings panel. After double tapping on it, it's indicating this is the Android 14 build with its Easter egg. As this is the first build of this project for OnePlus 6 and 6T, I tested almost all functions and the sensors of the device. As you can check in this video, I will not go in the details here, but you can overview all these important functions. Some other important functions include under display fingerprint, ES speaker, mic, multi-touch, display. All of these are working fine. All the incoming and outgoing VoLTE calls are working fine, along with the call recording function. Safety net check is also got passed, so you can use all the banking and security applications in this ROM. Similarly, Google Play Protect is certified, which is essential for the proper working of security and some special applications. OnePlus alert slider is also working here. So I think you all got an idea which essential features are available and working. Now let's move to the next part, new features and overall new look of this ROM compared to the other custom ROMs. The ROM has the separate customization setting panel called as the Infinity Suite. It has unique cards interface for the different options which are not present in any other custom ROM. The first option is the accent color, similar to the theme setting available in the other ROMs. Here we can change the device material with theme colors. The themes tab includes the different fonts and the icon shapes which are also common in other custom ROMs. Nearby it, there is a lock screen option which provides some amazing lock screen clocks. I especially like this custom clock one. You can check out other new clocks here also. Next we got the lock screen weather feature which works very well. It displays the current weather condition on the lock screen and on the always on display. In the ambient always on display customization, we got the ambient text. Here you can add any kind of text on the always on display. You can give it the custom animation and can change its colors and position. Here is our channel's tagline on the always on display and it looks amazing. Similarly, you can add an ambient image. Always choose a black screen wallpaper which helps to avoid the screen burn on the always on display.
I'm not falling, even if I'm holding a little. No, I'm not falling. But when did I get lost in?
Like other custom ROM, you get the status bar and QS panel customization settings also here. However, as the ROM is in early stages of development, no advanced features were available here. At the bottom, you get the different card options like buttons customizations, where you get the new option to enable the volume level percentage for the volume panel. Power menu customizations is also available here. Notification setting is available and it has lots of features. Gesture setting gets the new double tap to wake the ambient display. To use this, first we need to turn off the ambient display option. This feature is useful for using the always on display without draining the battery. Miscellaneous setting has the very useful toggles like app downgrade, new charging background animation, which you can check in this video. Unlocking higher FPS helps to maintain the constant 60 FPS for the BGMI on this device. These are some unique and old customizations available for this ROM. As it in the early stages, we don't have advanced customizations yet, but they will be available in the upcoming updates. As this is an official build, we get an inbuilt OT updater, so all the OT updates will be timely available and can be installed directly via OT application. Let's check out some launcher customization. ROM comes with the Infinity X launcher, which has double tap to sleep on the home screen, slide parallax animations for the scrolling of wallpaper, hot seat background for the dock application icons, and the theme icons all are working perfectly. The app drawer has the setting to enable the theme icons and the app search bar option for the app drawer. Using the recents panel, we can add the scroll vibration, background opacity control, and extra toggles like memory info, screenshot, lens, and the clear all buttons. The miscellaneous setting includes the taskbar option, which allows us to use the app drawer anywhere in the ROM. To access the taskbar, we get the new persistent pill at the bottom of the screen. Just swipe over the pill to open the taskbar. You can add the taskbar applications as a split screen anywhere in the ROM. Hidden and protected app setting is also available here in the launcher. You can lock or hide any application using this option in the ROM. Now let's talk about the bugs and the missing features of the ROM. Hey Google voice activation under the Google Assistant is not available, but you can enable the Google Assistant by swiping over the bottom edges of the device. No new Android 14 features like AI generated wallpapers and the emoji setting are available under the wallpapers and the style setting. The ROM doesn't come with the Optimus camera, which is the major drawback for me. It has a simple lineage aperture camera application, but for more features you can use the Google Gcam MGC build. Its link is available in the video description. Under the button setting in the Infinity Suite, the volume rocker wake up option doesn't work at all. Similarly, under the miscellaneous setting, the smart pixel setting also doesn't work. These are some minor issues. Except this, there are no serious issues in the ROM I found. I didn't show a performance test because the ROM is really smooth and highly touch responsive. You won't even feel like you are using the 7-year-old device. So what is my final verdict? If you are using the non-dynamic Superior OS Extended whose development is stopped, I definitely recommend you to switch to this ROM. However, if you are using the Dynamic Evolution X or the Rising OS, I don't recommend you to switch because Evolution X is more mature and feature rich, but in upcoming builds, this ROM will be more mature and feature rich compared to the other dynamic ROMs, making it a strong contender. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked my work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our regular content for OnePlus 6 and 60. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.